Here's how to bar lace Adidas Campus. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to bring each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side. And we're going to take that lace end down into it from above like this, if that makes sense. Pull it through a little bit, but not all the way. And then swap to the other one, smooth it out, and bring that lace end down into the bottom eyelet on this side from above. Pull it through a little bit. But before you pull everything through, bring your two lace ends together like this, pinch them, hold your sneaker, and slowly just pull that lace through. And what that'll mean is your laces will come out of equal length on either side for our pattern. If yours haven't, don't worry about it, just pause the video and make sure they're even before we carry on. There's no rush. Then keep a hold of this lace, and we're going to find the third eyelet up from the bottom on this side here, and we're going to bring that lace end up through that eyelet from underneath, just like this. So bringing it up through that third eyelet from underneath like this. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the third eyelet on this side from above like that. Pull it through and you'll see this bar pattern starting to form. Then we're going to swap back to the other lace, and we're going to use it to fill in these two empty eyelets here to make another bar. So we're going to bring this lace end up through this empty eyelet from underneath. Pull it through. Then we're going to bring it over and create another bar by taking it down into this eyelet from above. So feed your lace end down into that one from above. Wiggle it through. Pull it through slowly to make sure we don't get any twists. And there you have it, another bar. Now you can play this video on a half speed or pause. Just do what you need to do to go at your own pace because there's no rush at all. Great, now we're going to keep a hold of this lace. Just feed it underneath this bar here so that it has full range to move for the rest of the pattern. And we're going to repeat that pattern. We're going to skip an eyelet and instead we're going to focus on the one just above that. And bring the lace up through that from underneath, like this, making sure to leave one empty. Then we're going to take it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side to create a nice bar. Awesome. Then we're going to do the same as we did before. We're going to swap back to this lace and we're going to use it to fill in these empty eyelets. Take this lace end up through this eyelet from underneath. Pull it through, looking good. Smooth it out, bring it over and down into this eyelet on this side. Looking nice. Then take it under there so it has room to move. And then what we're going to do is just make it so we have one more bar so that we're not covering up our logo. And the way we're going to do this is bring the lace end up through the very next eyelet, so no skipping this time, and we're bringing it up through that from underneath, like that. Move this lace over there, bring this lace over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side to make another bar. And then we'll have two laces on this side. What you can do is just go ahead and tie them in a little knot so the pattern doesn't come loose, and just tuck that down inside your sneakers. And it will mean you'll be able to slip your sneaker on and off without the need for tying each time, and your foot should just go straight in there. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of bar lace Adidas Campus. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have loads of videos available to inspire you guys. Thanks a lot.